just opened up this channel. Completely free signals. We don't want we don't want your money. This is the only channel. We don't have a paid channel or anything like that. Come check us out right now. I strongly suggest getting into Vive. You could sell at 650, 675, 700 and a stop loss of 605. It's really a perfect buying point on Binance. I'll be posting updates all day, every day. And yeah, every time we hit our signals, we'll be able to get more money, save up that cryptocurrency. Join the channel. I'm going to put the link of this brand new channel. I literally just created it in the link below. And free signals for everyone. We don't want your money. We want us to be a community of cryptocurrency exchanges where we can make money together by reading the charts and seeing when the best time to buy is. Right now, that's my first signal that I posted. And please join the channel and follow the signals, because this is the only channel where you'll get, normally you would pay for the signals, but with this channel, I'm giving every signal for free. Every signal completely free. Thank you. God bless you. Check my channel out. See you on Telegram.